I call today's recipes my sunshine recipe. Let's all shine together. I don't want to leave anyone behind. So here we go. My different ways to enjoy mango. Mango juice, absolutely goodness. Mango yogurt smoothie, so nice and lovely. Mango and orange juice, refreshing. Mango milk custard, so creamy. Mango sorbet, cold and yummy. And my mango cupcakes, that's absolutely deliciousness. Honestly, I really like mangoes. I'm sure you know by now. I want you to enjoy all my sunshine recipes. Keep shining and always remember you deserve it. Recreate and enjoy.